He collects several of these nuts. Then he settles down on a branch or a tree stump to nibble them in pieces. If you see bites of broken hazelnut shells on the ground in the forest, look around for squirrels. You may not see them, but they are sure to be there. Number 8, food stores for the winter. When the squirrel feels that winter is near, they begin to prepare for it. They gather acorns, seeds, and hazelnuts. They put them into holes which they have dug in the ground or under the moss. Sometimes they hide them between the roots of trees. They also collect mushrooms. The squirrels work hard. They will need a lot of food to keep them alive during the winter months. Number 8, shelter for the winter. When the snow and frost come, the squirrels take shelter in their nest on the hollow tree. Sometimes several squirrels share a tree. Sometimes the same shelter. Some animals spend all winter sleeping. This is called hibernation. Squirrels do not hibernate. Most mornings they go for short walks if the weather is not too bad. On these little trips, they look for the food they have buried away. When they come across the hidden place, they dig through the thick snow and dig up the nuts. However, sometimes they forget where they have left the food. Then they have to return to their nest with nothing to eat. Number 10, springtime again. In the spring, everyone in the forest walks up the squirrel, goes running and jumping through the trees again. Even where there are new buds to eat and shoots to eat, soon he chooses a partner, and together they build a nest. In the forest is becoming green again. With new leaves, it won't be long until there are young squirrels to play in it. Some interesting facts about squirrels. Number 11, species. Squirrels belong to the scientific family called Squirrelidae. They actually are rodents. Rodents are the most common mammals on the face of Earth. Other in the species of the marmots, the prairie dogs, and the rats, there are about 250 species scattered all over the world. Rodents are characterized by 4 insert teeth in the front. These teeth grow throughout the life of the animal. Rodents are constantly digging, cutting, and gnawing. This helps engrave the teeth and keeps them from graft. He collects several of these too long. The average squirrel is 7 of 8 inches long. With tail that is about 6 inches, it weighs between 8 and 14 ounces. There are 2 species of the giant squirrels, which live in Asia. They can grow up to 36 inches, including tail. Number 12, conservation. Squirrels do not really have the conservation problem. They are numerous in most of the areas which they inhabit. They must always be on the lookout for cats and birds or prey, like hawks. These animals consider squirrels a very good dinner, like all other animals. Squirrels are dependent on the food supply.